Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all of you will be fine. Fine. Okay. So today I am going to start your English book of class UKG. Okay. This is your English book of class UKG. So we will start now. So earlier I have told you and I have studied you also that A sound words. Okay, you have to read loud at your home. Okay, A sound words. I have given homework you also. So like this, RAT, rat, VAN, van. Okay, like this it is given here. Okay, so we have to study it also. So in this I have written on blackboard also that 5 sentences. Okay, you have to read it loud at your home. So look how we can read it. We will read like that. DAD, dad. Okay, DAD, dad. HAD, had. ACAT, cat. Okay, dad had a cat. Dad had a cat. Look here. In this picture, he is dad. Okay, he is dad, and in the hand of dad there is a cat. Okay, this is cat. So dad had a cat. Okay, dad had a cat. You have to read like this. DAD, dad. HAD, had. ACAT, cat. Dad had a cat. You can take help of your parents also. Okay. Next, second number. Next, a cat was fat. Okay, you have to read like this. CAT, cat. CAT, cat. WAS, watch. WAS, watch. FAT, fat. FAT, fat. A cat was fat. Okay, a cat was fat. Look this. This is cat. Okay, this is cat, and the cat was fat. This is fat na. Okay, look here. A CAT, cat. WAS, watch. FAT, fat. A cat was fat. A cat was fat. Look this picture and read it. A cat was fat. Okay, this cat is fat na, so it is given here that a cat was fat. Okay, next, THE, the. THE, the. RAT, rat. RAT, rat. WAS, watch. on. THE, the. MAT, mat. Okay, THE, the. RAT, rat. WAS, watch. on. THE, the. MAT, mat. Okay, the rat was on the mat. The rat was on the mat. You have to read like this at your home. Okay, in loud voice. Okay, and if you are not understand, so you can take help of your parents also. Look here. It is given picture here, and this is question. This is third number sentence. This is, look here. THE, the. RAT, rat. That means chuha. Okay. WAS, watch. on. THE, the. MAT, mat. The rat was on the mat. Look here. This rat was on the mat. This is mat and this is rat. Okay, so the rat is on the mat. Okay, so like this you have to understand it and read it at your home. Next, THE the CAT cat, SAW saw, ARAT rat. THE the CAT cat, SAW saw, A, okay, this is a small a, and RAT rat. The cat saw a rat. Okay, the cat saw a rat. Look here. This is cat. Okay, this is cat and this is rat. Okay, this is cat and this is rat. So the cat saw a rat. Saw means देखना. Okay, so the cat saw a rat. THE the CAT cat, SAW saw, ARAT rat. The cat saw a rat. Okay, so next, THE the CAT cat, RAN ran, AFTER after, AFTER after, THE the RAT rat. Okay, once again, THE the CAT cat, RAN ran, AFTER after, THE the RAT rat. The cat ran after the rat. Okay, what does it means? Look here. This is cat. Okay, and this is rat. Okay, so THE the CAT cat, RAN ran, AFTER after, THE the RAT rat. Look here, the rat runs na. The rat runs and the cat also runs after the rat. Okay, for eating. Okay, for eating. Look here, THE the CAT cat, this is cat and this is rat, and rat is running away and the cat also ran after the rat. Ran after the rat. So the cat ran after the rat. Okay, so all these 5 sentences you have to read at your home and in loud voice. Okay, and if you are not able to understand, you can take help of your parents and you can ask to him also, and you can ask to me also, and mark that and send it to me. I will tell you. Okay, thank you.